Currently, the procedure I'm showing you is going to be applied on a printer shared over a network. So first, let's search for any printer. If there's any printer installed on a machine. So under printers and scanners, there is no printer, any other printer apart from the default printers. If we search under Microsoft Word, let's check if there is any printer that you can use to print. There is no printer. So open File Explorer, then Network. Under Network, open your PC, that is your server. Then you'll find there the name of the printer. Double click on it. There you have, our printer is successfully installed. Then if we go back to printers and scanners, yes, there is HP LaserJet Professional. There is the name of our printer. If we search again on Microsoft Word, under print, you should see the name of the printer active. So that's the procedure on how to install a printer shared over the network.